Which shortcut key combination formats text as bold? A. Shift plus B. B. Alt plus B. C. Control plus B. D. Control plus F. What shortcut minimizes all open windows on a Windows computer? A. Minimize button. B. Windows key plus M. C. Control plus down arrow. D. F10. Answer B. Windows key plus M. What is the shortcut key to lock the computer in Windows? A. Control plus Alt plus Delete. B. Control plus Shift plus Escape. C. Windows key plus L. D. Alt plus F4. Answer C. Windows key plus L. What is the shortcut key for creating a new folder in Windows File Explorer? A. Control plus N. B. Control plus Shift plus N. C. Control plus F. D. Control plus X. Answer B. Control plus Shift plus N. Which shortcut key combination is used to paste text without formatting? A. Control plus V. B. Control plus X. C. Control plus C. D. Control plus Shift plus V. Answer D. Control plus Shift plus V. What is the shortcut key to maximize a window in Windows? A. Windows key plus up arrow. B. Windows key plus down arrow. C. Alt plus F4. D. Control plus Shift plus Escape. Answer A. Windows key plus up arrow. What is the shortcut key to switch to the next tab in most web browsers? A. Control plus Tab. B. Control plus Shift plus Tab. C. Alt plus Tab. D. Control plus N. Answer A. Control plus Tab. What is the shortcut key to quickly switch between open windows of the same application in Windows? A. Alt plus F4. B. Control plus Tab. C. Control plus Shift plus Tab. D. Alt plus. Answer D. Alt plus. Which shortcut key combination is used to open a new private browsing window in most web browsers? A. Control plus Shift plus P. B. Control plus Shift plus N. C. Control plus N. D. Control plus W. Answer A. Control plus Shift plus P. What is the shortcut key to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome? A. Control plus Shift plus P. B. Control plus Shift plus N. C. Control plus N. D. Control plus W.